Hi there, Josh here from Interact Quiz Builder. Wanted to walk you through a couple of really well done skincare quizzes that both recommend products and build email lists. Skincare is one of the industries where quizzes have just done super well. It's a pretty natural thing to do because there are lots of options. You can do what's your skin type, you can do a routine builder, and we'll look at a few of those today so you can kind of get an idea of what might work for your brand. This first one here is from Primarily Pure. I'll link this quiz in the description along with the other ones we look at. If I click the Take This Quiz button on this quiz, it's going to take me to the questions. In this case, there's 14 of these questions. We generally recommend somewhere between 5 and 15 questions on a skin type quiz or a skincare quiz. So this is right in that range. For some of these, you can choose multiple answers. Others, it's single answer. And this is really just building an idea of what my skin type is and what my needs are so they can recommend products and routines for me. When we get to the end of this, we're going to be given a personalized product recommendation. So this quiz is really just trying to figure out which products I would actually need based on how I answer these questions. I'm going to go ahead and just finish clicking through these so that we can get through to the results. At the end of this, when I click finish, it asked me if I would like to opt in. And this connects with Klaviyo, or if you're using other email marketing software, you can do that as well. You know, a lot of folks in the skincare industry are using Klaviyo. So that one is a really nice, natural, smooth, easy integration. And then I click see my results and I am shown a page with my regimen. So I have balanced skin, gives me a description of what that means. And then down here, I can shop products. So that's our first example here. The second example that I have is from Green and Bear. They are based out of Australia. And if I scroll down their homepage, they have another quiz here that's called What's Your Skin Type? Theirs is 10 questions. So you'll get an idea that, it kind of varies for each person. Discover your unique skin type, take the quiz. And again, a lot of just questions to figure out, what kind of skin I have. This one is a little more goofy and fun, which is another big thing with quizzes. Is if you can add some personality in there, then that's a real game changer for getting more people to just opt in, join your list, buy products, all that kind of stuff. So again, opt-in form, I'm going to skip that step. That one's optional on this one. And then here I have, my recommendations. And this time, instead of products being directly in the results, they have skin tips for me. So a different approach to this quiz, and just kind of a different approach for them that works well. Now, the third example I have here is from an Instagram page, actually, from Esker Beauty. So on the Esker Beauty page here, I'm going to go ahead and refresh that so it comes back up. They have a tap the link to take the quiz. This is going to take me to a link in bio. And on that page, I will have the option to go and take their quiz if I scroll down a little bit here. They actually have two. They have what's your body skin type and what's your body care ritual. I'm going to do the body skin type one because I think it's really well done. I want to show this to you. Again, if I go through it, similar setup. They have 6 questions this time, and they have a pop-up. I'm going to click out of that. And at the end of this, I am similarly going to be shown an opt-in form and then also shown product recommendations. All of these quizzes were built with Interact Quiz Builder. I'll put a link in the description to go and check that out so that you can build something similar for your brand. Either way, I think there's some really good lessons here in terms of the power of just personalized recommendations, depending on which stat you're looking at. It's anywhere from 2 to 10 times the conversion rate in terms of selling products. And then we all know the value of having people on your list for the long term, because even if they don't buy today or next week, they might buy 2, 3, 4, 5 years from now. And having people on your email list is a great way to get those long tail sales. So those are some great examples. I'll put the links in the description so that you can go and check them out yourself.